SuperFlash has been around since 1993 in North America. When we began, the idea was to help people that are using gases. It didn't matter whether it was industrial gases or medical gases, but we, on the SuperFlash side, concentrate on the industrial gas market. So, we have, of course, our products, but we do a lot of things supporting the customers. So it's not necessarily everything that we have on the shelf, it's things that we can develop for people as well. Here at SuperFlash, we have product categories that cover gas safety, gas mixing, gas analyzing and gas control units, custom heating solutions, as well as pigtails and chemicals that will help you find leaks or help you clean up after process of work, all under one industry.
So one of the greatest things about Fabtech is you're able to see so many people all in one place. We're able to talk to someone from a student, to a distributor, to original manufacturers, and see how we're able to help each one and how we can tailor to them.
So yeah, SuperFlash and Fabtech, we go back with Fabtech, from the beginning. It, for us, is the best, show that our company feels hits all our markets in one place. And that's what's great about, a show like this, is because you can see so many different types of customers, potential customers. For us, it is the one place or the one time a year that we can see 90% of our, biggest customers. I mean, this is a crazy 4 days, but, you walk away and get a little bit of rest and you realize we got a lot of potential here. So that's really what is key for us.
Thank you everyone who stopped by the booth. Make sure to check us online if you didn't get a chance, and we look forward to seeing you in Vegas at Fabtech 2026.